Alright, so I got me just a little bitty self-cam, but you won't be able to see much, but you can still listen to it run and drive. So, here we go. Let's do it. Still gotta get my AC fixed too. Truck feels different too with that new torque converter. It's actually doing what it's supposed to do. Whenever I put it in reverse with the old one, it's like it didn't want to engage reverse. It's like it kept holding it or something until I applied gas. Whenever I put it in reverse, it'll automatically back up with me just letting loose off of the brake. Little by little, I'm starting to understand a little bit more and comprehend a little bit more. Nothing's impossible, I know that. Linkage is perfect. I said it just right. Overdrive works. Everything's cool. No leaks. Still be looking. I haven't tested my four-wheel drive yet, but I need to. I'm probably going to have to replace the actuator at the front, because I think that's what was wrong with it in the first place during winter. temps. We got to get gas too. Oh, 59 loves that gas. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Pretty much a successful rebuild. I took my transmission all the way apart, put it back together, made sure it had brand new seals. Works like it should. So, transmission build successful. And guys, if you're ever trying to rebuild your transmission, or you don't want to get a big old truck payment or car payment, well, I'm not going to say anything about cars because I haven't attempted mine yet, but I'm going to. But Transmission Bench on YouTube, he also has a store. His name is Jimmy. He has tutorials on the 4L60E transmission, the 46RE transmission. He also has some Ford transmissions too that he takes apart and he reworks and fixes them up right. So if there's anything you guys want to learn, Transmission Bench, that's a place to go. And the classes, they end at your convenience. And yeah, you will invest in some special tools, but well worth the investment, because at the end of the day, it's your truck that you're working on, and if you want it to run right, act right, do right, then that's the place to go. And he will tell you it's not for, typical people that, that just want to get something new, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I believe in keeping something as long as you can, and trust me, I'm not going to get a new truck payment. Now, granted, my truck won't have the performance a new truck has, but if you understand your truck's limitations and you know the weight and what it can actually pull and what it can carry, then the truck will last you a lifetime. Whenever I done the overdrive section on this, my overdrive section wasn't even wore at all. Like, it's just brand new. My friction plates and steel plates were fine. If anything, they were actually thicker than the new ones I put in. But that just shows you how well the transmission was taken care of. Anytime I did pull a load in this truck, I automatically turned my overdrive here off. And that's because I was always told you just pull it without your overdrive. And about 55 miles an hour is where it gets its best performance, I think. And your engine isn't at high RPMs as much neither. It'll stay pretty constant and smooth. And if you're trying to pull something like a diesel, then, well, you just need to get a diesel. But if you understand everything, they'll last you a lifetime. This old Dodge truck has got over 200,000 miles on it. And the motor don't even sound like it does. It doesn't even feel like it. But guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. And I will be going back to my normal streams on my gaming channel. I'll also be posting this on my gaming channel too. That way, if you guys want to know anything and have any questions or any transmission questions, be sure you give Jimmy a shout out and a subscribe, and just learn all you can if you want. It's a big process at first, but like he said, don't be intimidated by it. It has a lot of parts in it, yes, but it's not impossible. Trust me. But you guys have a good one, and shout out to Transmission Bench at Jimmy. Y'all have a good one. Dodgeman out.